Hello class 11. So today in the series of chapter set we are going to learn about Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams. Most of the relationship between sets can be represented by the means of diagrams, which are known as Venn diagrams in sets. So Venn diagrams are named after the English logician John Venn from 1834 to 1883. These diagrams consist of rectangle, closed curves, usually circles. The universal set is represented usually by a rectangle and its subsets by a circles like this. Okay, so this is our universal set. The subsets is represented by circle. Okay, so this is the rough diagram of Venn diagram. So in Venn diagrams, the element of sets are written in their respective circles, like in figure 1.2 and 1.3. First illustration we have in the figure 1.2, where U, which is the universal set, contains elements 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Like in this figure, we can see that this is U contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. So U is the universal set here. And A is a subset of this universal set. And A contains elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is our set A from the universal set. Okay. Similarly, we have another illustration. So we have universal set U, which contain elements from 1 to 10. And it contains two subsets. Subset A, which have element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And subset B, which contain elements 4 and 6. And in this set, B is the subset of subset A. Okay, means we have this universal set U, and then we have a set A, which contain element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in the figure. And then we have another subset B. This is our set B. Okay, which contains elements 4 and 6. Okay, this is how we represent our Venn diagrams. I hope this has helped you to understand the concept. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to the channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification for my latest video. Leave any question or comment below. I will do my best to answer them. What topic would you like to see in my future videos? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.